Hello my dear watchers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, let's learn about the Survey Maker plugin. Surveys are the best method to understand your audience. Surveys will help you to learn more about your customers, employers, and future consumers. This is one of the most effective methods to engage the number of your customers, target your audience more accurately and exactly. All kinds of surveys are data collectors. Name a stronger marketing tool than possessing data about your purchasers. Possessing the information about what exactly your customer wants or expects from your business means being one step ahead, always satisfying their needs, and building lifetime seller-buyer bonds. What about a plugin that will definitely help you to be always one step ahead of your customers? Give your website visitors and users a voice and learn about their honest feedback, expectations, and needs. The WordPress Best Survey plugin is a perfect fit for the HR department, marketing team, project managers, brand managers, lead team, and many more business agents in order to proceed the business digital marketing to higher levels. The Survey Maker plugin is the #1 survey form builder on WordPress platform. All these listed above you can manage with the WordPress Best Survey Maker plugin. So let's get started with the Survey Maker. With this must-have tool, you can easily build surveys like customer satisfaction surveys, event planning questionnaires, employee engagement forms, market research and concept testing forms, opinion polls, paid surveys, single-page or multi-page surveys, surveys with LogicJump, questionnaires with personalized results, chat surveys, anonymous surveys, pop-up surveys, and contact forms. The Survey Maker has both free and pro versions. You can download the free version from the WordPress official website. With this version, you can have your first experience and give your website a more professional interface. In order to have more progressive tools, you can purchase the Pro version from the 𝐼𝐴𝐶 website. All the links you can find below the video. Now let's learn about the plugin more deeply. After installing the Survey Maker, on your dashboard you will find the icon. Click on the Add New button to start the survey creation process. Give your survey a title, description. With the Survey Maker plugin, you can build unlimited inquiries with unlimited questions and sections. The intuitive and responsive interface will make your survey perfectly and smoothly fit every screen size. The most important part is the questions. Add as many questions as you need. Make your surveys more interesting with all these question types. With the radio questions, you can choose only one answer from the listed answer choices. The checkbox questions allow having multiple answers. Drop-down questions will appear in a horizontal list, and you can choose only one answer. In linear scale, you will be able to choose from 1 to 5 scale range answers. For example, from best to worst. With the star rating questions, you will be able to rate with a 5-star system. The paragraph questions allow typing the answer into a text box. Short text questions allow typing the answer into the field. The number question type is for the numeric value answers. Date questions are for the answer with dates. Metric scale question types allow responding with more than one row question. With the yes or no question types, your answer will be either yes or no. In addition, you can add images to your question and answers. Make them required, duplicate them, or remove them. One more functionality worth mentioning is that you can export and import the questions. With all of these question types and functionalities, every website owner will definitely provide their website with a more professional look. Keep your audience more engaged by creating multi-page or single-page surveys. Paging design always gives a higher competition rate rather than a scrolling design. Placing your questions on multiple pages will absolutely make the survey taking process easier and more comfortable to fill out and get the most submissions. In order to show all the questions page by page, you will need to add sections. By creating a new section, you are creating a new page. If you want to present your questions on a single page and create super short surveys, you will not need to add a section. No one wants a boring survey, so let's see what tools you will need to build a multi-page survey for your WordPress website. Firstly, you will need to create an engaging questionnaire. Afterwards, you are free to add as many sections as you need via the General Settings section. When you have already created your questionnaires first page, you can add the second, third, and so on, just by clicking on the Add Section button. From the Survey Maker submenu, go to the Submissions section. Here you can find all the feedback data you need. Get quick and real-time feedback with a submission summary. The Survey Maker creates visual charts based on the provided data and provides a proper data analysis. The researchers will increase productivity with the help of online statistics and online submission charts based on the collected data. Submissions analytics is definitely the #1 tool for user tracking. Track your web page visitors and make the right conclusion from your surveys. Create smarter surveys with the Survey Maker plugin. The irrelevant questions will be not a problem with this functionality. Give a personalized experience to each user. The user can choose an answer to a particular question or not. The responder can choose the right question for them and skip the unnecessary ones. As a result, the surveys will seem more like live conversation with the participants. This tool is perfect to gain more users and keep them. The irrelevant questions will make your survey takers leave the website, but with the LogicJump, this will not be an issue. In order to build a survey with the LogicJump tool, firstly, you will need to think about the logic of your question. For example, if the responder previously answered that he or she is allergic to citrus, then you have to stop asking about orange juice. In order to avoid your survey takers from being asked unrelated questions and have a more personalized experience, all you will need is to enable the LogicJump attribute, which you can find below the question box. You can use all your creativity to style your surveys and make your website more eye-catchy to make people want to take the survey. The ready-to-use designs and tons of style settings will help you to create a website with a user-friendly and responsive interface that will fit any screen size, for example, computers, mobile devices, tablets, and etc. As you can see, on the Start Page tab, you can design a page that will appear before displaying the survey. You can add a title, description, and style it the way you want. On the Settings tab, you can find all the functionalities which you need to provide your website with engaging content. For example, if you are a busy person, the Schedule Survey tool is for you. Create a survey beforehand and set a date when you want it to be automatically published to your website. Manage your time more effectively with the Survey Maker plugin. With the Survey Maker, you can easily build conversational surveys to spice up your WordPress website. The conversational surveys are every user's favorite. Chat surveys are a more dynamic way of presenting your questionnaire instead of the traditional one-side forms. They are engaging, attractive, and give the impression as if someone is talking to you behind your screen right at this moment. Chat surveys will help you to get feedback via short and interactive conversations. This type of form will definitely help you to improve your relationships with your customers and increase satisfaction among them. While creating a chat survey, all you are going to need is to add relevant questions and an eye-catchy design. Next, from the Settings section, you can find the Enable Chat Mode feature. Activate it, and voila, your chat survey is ready to be used. You just need to input your already prepared questions in the plugin, and the chat mode will do its job. Sit back and count your leads. With this plugin, you can easily create surveys with personalized results. Make your customers feel special. Give your consumers personalized feedback based on their answer results. This functionality is the best for funnel marketing. Surveys with personalized results work best for selling products, targeting a specific group of people to a certain action, giving personalized results like diet plans, music recommendation, what product or service is the best for the responder, and so much more. For example, if your customer is a female aged between 18 to 30, is interested in poems and loves to read, will get the perfect book recommended and will be redirected to the product page right after finishing the survey. While setting up your survey, go to the Conditional Results Settings tab and add as many conditions as you need. Afterward, you can customize how the personalized results will be received by a responder. Customize a personalized results message after submitting the form. Moreover, you can customize an email message and attach a file that will be sent via user's email. Furthermore, the Survey Maker has a tool that will help you to redirect your participants directly to the needed URL. You can be more selective with the Limitation Users tab. Here you can choose your responders in order to match your target. Manage who can pass the questionnaire. Create an event planning form. Imagine you're organizing an event and you do not need to get multiple results in order to exactly know the number of attendances. The Max Count Takers tool will help you in this situation. Be closer to your users with the Send Mail to User feature. Customize your own email message. You can retarget the survey takers or thank them for their time once they have completed the questionnaire. With the Send Mail to Admin tool, you will always be aware when someone has completed the survey. With the email configuration feature, you will be able to set up the properties of sending emails such as from name, from email, and more. I know that you want to collect more leads. With third-party integrations, you can enjoy tools like Slack, MailChimp, Campaign Monitor, ActiveCampaign, Google Sheets, and etc. Everyone wants to make money. What about surveys that are going to become your passive income source? With the help of PayPal and Stripe integrations, you can easily generate paid surveys, boost the user traffic, and increase the revenue on your website. All you need is an interesting survey to connect with your preferred method of payment. In the Survey General Settings section, you can find the PayPal and Stripe payment methods. Choose your preferred one and build your passive source income with the help of WordPress Survey Maker plugin. Transfer your engaging surveys from one site to another with the help of the Export and Import functionality. It will take you only a few minutes. Provide your website visitors with a more entertaining and interactive experience with the help of Popup Survey. Customize the survey based on your preferences. Configure the settings such as title, pop width, height, position, and so on. Select your preferred page where you need your surveys to be popped. Capture more insights and change your strategies based on the responders' provided feedback. To have a pop-up survey, you will need a pop-up survey tool. This tool you can find on the Survey Maker dashboard submenu. All you need to do is to click on the Add New button. With the WordPress Survey Maker, you can always be one step ahead and provide your customers with the best digital experience. Help web owners to increase their user traffic and advance the leads. The whole process of survey form creation will be more fun and enjoyable with this plugin. Also, I suggest you to check out our blog to have more precise information not only about the Survey Maker plugin, but also about the WordPress must-have tools. If you have any suggestions, please feel free and leave your comments below. You can easily engage the quantity of your audience and choose the right target for your WordPress website. Learn more about your customers via all the advanced tools that this plugin includes. Till here, go ahead and download your own SurveyMaker plugin and give it a try. Thanks for watching.